Hey Shaker Makers, it's Demo Donna here with Queen & Company, and I'm going to be showing you a really fun card, shaker card, using the Thankful For You solids and pattern paper packs, as well as the shaped shaker circle kit. So this is really fun, especially if you are brand new to shaker making. This is a really simple way to start. And it's very versatile. It has happy birthday, thank you, sympathy, thinking of you, a great stamp set. And I'm also going to be showing you guys the brand new trinkets. You'll see when the camera flips over, the Tiny Trinkets available in 8 different colors. And we're also using foundation die number 10. And here is the lovely shaker card that we're going to be making. Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy. The base of my camera, I used the large die from foundation die number 10. Like I said, all of the dies to create the camera are from the foundation die number 10 and the shaped shaker kit circles. So what I did next was I cut out 2 pieces of the smaller die using the beautiful Thankful For You paper, and then I also cut out one in the lighter purple using the Thankful For You solids. So I'm going to do a little layering. Okay, so I'm going to have these at about 4.5 inches. So because they're overlapping, I'm actually going to cut them. All right, so I have taken my 2 dies, this size, and I have cut them down each to 2 1/4. So together they're going to be 4 inches and a half, 4.5 inches. All right, and now I'm going to adhere those to my little background pieces. So I also took another one and cut it in half in the light pink. And I'm gonna layer those. So when I layer die on die using the same one, what I tend to do is count the actual stitch lines. So with this one, I did 2, and so that way when I do the other side, it's in the same spot. There we go. Now, before I attach these, a little trick here. Instead of trying to line them up, what I'm going to do is flip them over, make sure they are fit together nice and evenly, and just put a little gift wrap tape. Therefore, when I center this down on my base here, I'm not trying to make sure I'm making 2 pieces even. Instead, I'm just laying down the 1 piece. Okay. And now you don't have to worry about your paper here not matching, because this line here is going to be covered up. So next what I'm going to do is take my other pieces from foundation die number 10, and I am just going to use these as accent pieces for my camera. And I have this fun little push button that I'm going to be attaching to this side here. So now I've got the background of my camera pretty much complete. Next, we are going to start laying out the center. So what I'm going to do is just add a little sheer glue. These are the 3 different size circles from the circle kit, and I cut out the middle one to create this little background here. And I'm just gonna take my sheer glue, just because it's a thinner piece, center here, makes it a lot easier to center that. And I've kind of got my base as to where my shaker's gonna go. You could see the camera look starting to take effect. So I always recommend getting the outline dies. I know that circle dies are very popular, but if you get the outline dies, you know exactly the ones that match with this kit. I unfortunately for this did not get the outline die, and all my circles are packed away. So this circle that I'm going to be using for the outline die is actually the cutout of the middle circle. So because I'm going to be using the smaller one, that fit perfectly. So that's just a little cheat trick for this particular kit, but I really wish I had the outline dies because that makes it go much quicker. And I am going to stamp on the inside of my shaker here, and I am going to go a little closer to the top, and I chose "You Make Life Beautiful." I thought this would be a really fun saying to put inside of the camera. Sending hello wishes to you also would have been cute. Happy birthday, let's celebrate you. You are awesome, thank you. Holiday wishes, you could even do like a little holiday camera. Okay, next, I am gonna peel off the backing here. And we are going to hover that over. Push that down with your finger tools. And I just peeled the protective backing. I didn't peel off this circle one, but now I've got my little area here ready to create my shaker. So I am going to be using the brand new Tiny Trinkets, and they're available in 8 colors. So I will absolutely have the link so you can go check that out. And I am gonna just toss some random. I like the little bow tie, super cute. How fun for like a birthday party when they have the little photo booths with the bow tie. So I'm just gonna add some of these really fun shapes. And then I'm also gonna do that in the purple. And I think I'm just gonna stick with the blue and purple. I did pull the green out because it matches really nicely. But I think I'm gonna just go to the purple and the teal, not to overdo it too much. Add some stars. I wanna make sure it's not gonna cover up my seine. So these are gonna be great shakers. So I'm just gonna add a few of those. And then I also wanted to adhere a star. So I'm gonna take a little sheer glue and I'm gonna pop my star right on top there. Apply some pressure, and there I have a topping now glued inside. So when this card is sitting upright, there's at least another decorative feature inside of your shaker. And that's a really fun trick to do when your shakers toppings, when your shakers are actually nice and large. Diamonds in there, so pretty. And these are actually coming back in stock soon, so make sure you guys all go check that out. I'm gonna take my clear acetate and just lay that right on top there. There we go. Move my fingernails. There we go. Now take your sheer glue and go ahead and attach your decorative die. Add a little sheer glue to your base here. And now I'm simply going to place the "You Make Life Beautiful" in the center of our camera. I'm going to be adding these green Tiny Trinkets. So I'm going to take some a little sheer glue again. All right, and there is our beautiful camera with our fun Tiny Trinkets on the outside as well as the inside of our shaker. And next I'm going to go ahead and apply, this is from foundation die number 3. All right, and I just wanted to add a couple of rhinestones. So I'm going to grab some of the plain rhinestones, as well as some of the purple rhinestones. And I am simply gonna place a couple around my little camera lens here. All right, and there is our final card with our adorable tiny trinkets inside, available in 8 different colors. Really great to add to the inside of your shaker as well as the outside. And I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.